This is the design demo for the product overhaul. The first thing that is changing is that instead of calling them products, which is closely related to projects, we're going to be calling them templates or course section templates. There's going to be a new description here telling you that course sections you create from a template will follow that template's predefined settings, and some design system updates as well. It's also going to be changing in the admin panel, browse all templates. Here's an example of browse templates and template overview. And then in that sidebar, now you're looking for template. Okay, another new feature is the ability to preview the template. So if I click preview, it should take me to kind of a fake course section view here, and it should say preview mode. I can exit that. Next, there was a bug that the display curriculum item numbers was not working, so we're looking into fixing that, and in addition, adding a feature to exclude units from that as well. For example, if maybe you have an introduction that you don't want to be numbered. The next important update is instead of accessing settings through a back door, how you would kind of go to like a fake course section instructor interface and configure settings for your product. For the template, we now just added different settings that you would want to see. So for example, edit scheduling and assessment settings, customize content, manage source materials, the AI assistant settings, notes, course discussions, required surveys, and I might be missing some, but also I think edit course section details is on there as well. And that's just so you can, set up those default settings that you want to make course sections with. Next, there is a view template usage button. It has been coming soon, so now we're looking into adding functionality to that. Here you would see every course section that is using your template. It's basically a replica of the browse all course sections table, so you get that information as well. And then lastly, when you enter a template from the admin panel, so that browse all templates, usually it's not connected to a project at the moment. This would be adding that breadcrumb so that we can connect it back and you can easily navigate back to its project. Okay, that is all the updates. Oh wait, no, it is not. I have one more update to share, or a couple more. Adding in this badge back showing how many updates you have, and then this cover image section, you would be able to preview where these images go, kind of see what that looks like before committing to something. And lastly here, we have some updates to customizing the content in a template. You can now add structure, so I could create a unit, module, section, and add materials into those. And you have this message that materials can only be added once to the curriculum. If you try to navigate away from the customized content page, it will tell you that you have unsaved changes. And when you save your changes, you will get a confirmation banner.